Good morning. Welcome back to Mishmas. I had to go find my tripod. Now I've got my tripod. We can sit back down, enjoy some coffee. I've been drinking plain coffee, just regular straight up coffee. And today I decided to add that Trader Joe's gingerbread coffee back into the mix. And I am enjoying it quite a bit. Wow, I look very yellow toned. What's going on? So funny. The seat that I usually sit in is not the seat that I usually sit in for Mishmas, and I get mixed up sometimes because I want the tree in the background. I am just on cloud nine because I have slept through the night quite heavily for the past 3 nights in a row. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. My sleep has been actually pretty good lately. I know I've talked about how it just was very disrupted several months ago at this point. And I think the weightlifting has actually helped, working out, eating lighter, all those things have helped. Eating lighter, actually, I shouldn't just skim over that. That really, I think, has helped tremendously. When I have a big dinner now, on the few occasions, I've gone out or when I've had friends over and we go out to dinner or whatever, that definitely... It's not, even if I give myself time to digest or whatever, it's just not, it's not it. It really messes up my sleep. And not even so much that I have indigestion, but I just think my body goes into like overtime trying to digest it. And yeah, it's not good. So when I, make sure I have like a light dinner, very helpful. And it's so funny. I think when I was younger, I thought it was the other way around. It was like, you would eat all this food, sort of like that Thanksgiving Day situation. You eat all that food and then you just kind of like pass out and nap. And the older I've gotten, the more it's actually caused disruption versus kind of like lulling me to sleep. So another one of those things that changes when you get older, at least for me, it changed when I got a little bit older. Anyway, what am I talking about? I've slept through the night lately and it's been great. What are we doing today? I have purchased some new shoes that I want to share with you. So we'll do like a luxury shoe haul today. Very excited to show you what I got. That's not going to take too long. I have to spend a lot of today editing. So this may be a quick one. Let's open up these advent calendars. I'm going to get to editing and I'll be back a little bit later. All right, day 18. Down here, we've got the Silver Birch and Lavender Cologne. This is another, I believe, holiday special. I don't know if it's limited edition, but I think it just came out. Let's see. Ooh, it's very clean. It kind of smells like men's aftershave, like that. Okay, day 18 for décolleté. Over here, they're Kimono Suya. Is this a fragrance? I don't think I realized I had fragrances. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, it kind of smells fruity and fresh all at the same time. Oh, it's lovely. Look how cute that little bottle is. Okay, Sicily. We're looking for 18. Why? Why is this so hard? Oh, here we go. It's up here. Oh my gosh, the Nutritive Lip Balm. This is a good lip balm. I have one. It's fairly old. It's probably time to say goodbye to that one. Now I have a replacement, and this is a full size. Ooh, that is awesome. Wow. All right, let's see. Looking for 18. Here we go. Ooh, they've been really generous with the lipsticks. I love it. This is the Rouge Volupshine Oil in Stick in shade 150 New Lingerie. This is definitely one of my favorites. Most definitely a full size. Okay, last here, the Diptyque. Have we got? Here we go. Right down here, 18. We have. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. They're saying it's quince. Sweet, tangy. Hints of apple, pear. Yeah, it's supposed to just be really fruity. Whoa. Maybe it'll smell a little bit differently once I set it on fire, but wow. This sounds like one I'm gonna love. You guys know I'm always looking for a really good like apple flavor or apple scent. It's really hard to find. So I recently purchased 2 pairs of shoes that I wanted to share with you. One pair of shoes, I think I alluded to when I did my Celine Teen Triomphe unboxing. This is the one with the leopard printed velvet. I still have not taken her out. I have to do that soon, but I love this bag. And they actually had a pair of loafers with the leopard print on top. And Celine just recently started a 40% off sale on some select items, which included the leopard loafers. So I took the opportunity and I got them. Let me show them to you. So here is the box that they came in, pretty typical Celine. And I think this must be some holiday ribbon that they had, but this was wrapped around the box. And here's the dust bag. So all of the regular old accoutrements came with these shoes. And here they are. So they are, I will admit, kind of on the heavy side. And I did get them in a size, I believe 39. My sales associate, Chris, over at the Wynn Boutique, he sent over 39 and 38.5, but in a different style. And he said, of course, he could get them, but he didn't have them in the store, but he just wanted me to try them on for size. The 39 was perfect. So the 38.5, way too snug. I couldn't even get my foot in there. So quite a difference, I would say, between the 39 and 38.5, at least for me. But these are not velvet. These are a printed pony hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of course, it's got the Triomphe there, and then it's got the, what do you call this? I have to look up what that's called. The heel, or the sole, I should say, is fairly chunky, and they're a little bit stiff, so they're going to take a little bit of breaking in. I also have a very high instep, and I will tell you there's going to be some breaking in there because of this strap, this fringe flap, and the hardware on there. There's going to be probably a pretty long breaking in period, just so you're aware, if you were interested in these, if you also have a really high instep. I just love, love, love the way these looked with like cropped trousers. I just love it. With or without socks, like if you're an ankle sock person, I think that would look really cute. Or if you're like a barefoot loafer person, I think that would look really cute as well. I also see these with like wide leg trousers because the sole is on the chunkier side. I think it can handle like a really wide opening at the leg. I think that'll be really nice, really complimentary. So another pair to the loafer collection. Loving it. I have been wearing my loafers more, probably because the weather's cooling down a little bit. I'm wearing more pants, and I've got those Dior's that I really love. I have the really super chunky Prada ones that I wore a lot more often when I first got them, but I think right now they're a little chunkier than like what I'm going for, but I'll come back to them. I'm sure I will. I have these. I have some really old Gucci ones. So loafers have been a very long time love of mine. And you guys know how much I love animal print. So these were just right up my alley. And at 40% off, I really could not pass up. So picked those up. And then I had been really, really intrigued by these Alaïa ballet flats that were very, I don't know, they've been hot for like a year now at least. So many brands have basically come out with their own version, but I think the Alaïas have like rhinestone studding or crystal studding, and they're netted. Like they came out with all of these different fabrications basically, but the silhouette was the same. It had the strap, like the ballet flat like strap situation, and then the opening is like a Japanese slipper inspired, much like my Kate flats. So here is one of my Kate flats. So you can see it kind of has not exactly a rounded opening. The toe covering here is a little bit longer than usual. I feel like ballet flats do this a lot, so it's just a little bit higher, it's a little bit different, and has a much more like Japanese aesthetic, which I really, really love. So those ballet slippers from Alaïa have been sold out. They got so popular. So I feel like either this Alaïa ballet flat that I've been talking about has either spawned this whole like rekindling of the ballet flat, or it was just perfect timing that like the ballet flat was coming and these Alaïa ballet flats were out and they were different, and you know, you can get all these different like colors and, like I said, fabrications. Anyway, I haven't been able to get my hands on them because, like I said, they have been sold out. But Hirschleifers, which is here, a boutique in Manhasset, Long Island, New York, is a much loved department store, you could say, or a specialty store. And it's in the Americana Mall in Manhasset. And I've only ever been there once in person when I lived in New York because, you know, I didn't live on Long Island. But anyway, they just have the best brands. And there's a family, the Hirschleifers, that run the store, and they have an amazing Instagram feed, and it's so inspirational. Anyway, I started following the owners of Hirschleifers itself, and so I got this notification that these Alaïa slides were in stock. And I hadn't seen them in any other retailers, and I think I may actually like the silhouette a little bit more than the ballet flat. So let's open this up and see. So let's see, I ordered size 8.5, so in case I forget to tell you. And I think this is my first pair of Alaïa shoes, even though I've tried on plenty. And I remember their shoebox looking like this. It looks like a trunk. It's so, so cool. So you actually have to unbuckle it to open it up. Let's take a look. So here are the shoe bags. Oh, I love these. I hope they fit. So here they are. So these are like giant rhinestones. They're more like studs. And here's the inside. And so these are a mule. I think these are a better personality fit for me. Oh, let me show you the bottoms. So they have like this rubber sole. And I think I'll just wear these more because I just slide my foot in. So let me try these on. Let's hope they fit. And I think they had 2 colors. I can't quite remember, but of course I opted for the black. Okay, you guys, they're a little small. I think, I don't want to be talking myself into it, but you see how my heel is just a little off? I do wonder though, you know how, especially with mules like this, when you start walking, your foot like slides further in. I think it could be okay. Am I just fooling myself? Do you see they're like just a smidgen off the back? Let me show you in the mirror here. Just a smidgen off the back. I think it'll be okay. Not to be gross, but my foot is a little bit sweaty right now because I just took a sock off, and so they're not sliding all the way in. I think what I'll do is maybe try these on first thing tomorrow when I wake up and see how they fit then. I've also been on my feet all day. I think they're okay. I could also go online and see if size 9 is even available and just order it and return these. Well, look how cute they are, even with my sweatpant jeans. Love these. Oh, I love them. I am gonna go online right now and see. No, 9 is sold out. Okay, I'm definitely keeping these. They're just gonna have to, they're just gonna have to work. Oh, they're having a sale too. Just FYI. Some nice ones on sale. They have some Birkenstocks on sale, some Marni on sale. Okay, all right. That is it, you guys. That is my luxury shoe haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in tomorrow's Mishmas video. Bye!